Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walk around of the 2017 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage with the black gel coat graphics. This boat is powered by Mercury Verado 350s with joystick piloting, underwater lights, trim tabs, entering the boat, you will see the live well option. This boat does have a big fold down transom bench seat, table on the port side, second live well option, so this boat has twin live wells. Entering the helm station, you will see the boat comes with twin Raymarine GPS fish finder, Fusion stereo, Mercury vessel view gauge, Raymarine VHF radio. Moving forward, this boat comes with forward seating and also a forward table. This concludes the video on the 2017 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.